Hi, this is Vineet and welcome to a short video on automation. In this video, we are going to showcase customized control panel which can be used for a commercial or residential installation. The main menu that we see here is customized for my own place. The left side of the display has all the menu items and to your right is a live streaming camera. We can see information and icons on all four corners of the screen. Starting with top left, we can set the functioning of our automation by selecting whether I am at home, away, or on vacation. The bottom left shows us current date and time, and right is our company logo. We can touch this logo in any of the subscreens to come back to this menu. The weather icon on the top right will open a weather forecast for us, and the calendar, let's go back, and the calendar shows list of public holidays. We see the menu on the left has 5 items. Climate will open the same weather forecast that we just saw. Cameras, on the other hand, will open a camera app that can show us all the cameras in the house. Clicking the back button will take us back to the automation app. The lock and energy features will be added soon, but the items that is most interesting are devices. Clicking this takes us to another screen with sub-menu at the bottom where we can choose the space to control. The living area is pre-selected. We see 3 groups of selections here. The left one gives us control of all the dimmable lights in the space with those sliders. The middle helps us with switches, and on the right are the master switches for all the areas in the house. This master group will replicate in each of the menu selection except the layouts. Let's just try one of the bedrooms. Right. So what we see is a similar conceptualized screen with groupings of devices as per their functions. Each element on all of these screens reads us the status of the device and lets us control the same. So on our left are AV controls. We can select an activity or scene to trigger various things in the room while switching on the AV and opening the particular app, like say Netflix on the TV. We can then use the below panel as a remote control while we are enjoying our stream. So let me try by say clicking on Netflix here. So it has switched on my TV and switching on my Fire TV stick, putting Netflix on the menu, right? And then I can control the menu or volume, anything on the TV while it is playing, right? Let's just go back to the HVAC mode. Yeah. So the slider then controls the dimming of the light or a group of lights. Okay, and then we can control individual on off, like say computer desk on and off, reading lights, right? Or all of okay, so reading light is malfunctioning or something, need to check. Okay, and beside that you can also control the speed of the fan and control the temperature of your AC right from here. Okay, okay, and we can also control all our basic devices in a floor plan layout, right? So if I click this layout, you see all the devices in the house laid out on this plan, and this screen also shows us the status of the devices. So all those yellow icons are the devices that are switched on, so I can just click them to switch them off. I can control the fan speed also here. I can control the thermostat, say the chandelier, and say if I ask echo device I have here on my desk to switch off the chandelier, you can see that status getting updated in real time. Alexa, turn chandelier off.
Okay.
So I have not touched it on the screen, so it got updated in real time. So touching on this logo will actually take us back to the main menu. That concludes this demo. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.